All right, welcome everybody. How you guys all doing out there today? Happy Sunday, Monday, whatever freaking day it is for everybody out there today. Welcome. So let's see what we got. Sorry, I have been, once again, I want to apologize. I've been super busy. We are remodeling one of our clubs. So, yeah, that's kind of been what we've been doing. Now, you know, down, tapped our little area. I would like to say absolutely perfectly. Just got right into the blue area right there, right? Just right into the blue. Bounced up, didn't quite get up high enough. Almost like a weird flagging kind of a thing going on right here, okay? Hey, Dave, how you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Yeah, good. We got some, got a mod in the house. So listen, here's what we've got going on, right? Just kind of the important things. We're still in this short call here. I think we also just got a short call on the 4 hour. Let's see what we got over here. Ooh, I thought we pulled a short call in the 4 hour. We didn't. Let's see, 6 hour, nope. 12 hour, nope. Nope, still in that daily long call. 2 day, 3. No. Okay. I'm going to take this all the way back to the 30 minutos. So there's our 30 minutes. And here's just kind of, we're going to go through some of the stuff that I'm seeing now. Give me a second here. I do have to reload all of my charts. I do apologize for that. So give me 1 second. Now, one of the main things I'm seeing, I'm still watching this. Now, I have to say that the TDI pattern is playing out a little bit different than I had expected, than what I'd seen back in 2014, 2015. And really what I've been watching is this 2 day and 3 day here. So last time, either one of these, look, there's the 2 day right here. When we did dump, we did not make a higher high. So we didn't make a higher, I mean, we are right there. We're kissing the bottom of the sack on this thing. If this does go up, I will start to actually adjust how I'm feeling right now. I will. Do I think we're going to test back down? Yes. I still think we are going to come back down and test back down. I still see that in the cards. We've had a really nice run up. Once again, our indicators are freaking absolutely insane, right? Our indicators are just crazy insane. Now, usually in a bull run, when you get this higher high with another a second top, I like to see these double tops. They're all here. You do get in the bull run, this second top, this lower top is a higher high. Look, so you got a higher indicator, right, with a lower price. Then you got a lower indicator with a higher price. Same thing, it goes all for pretty much all of these, right? Look, there's the top. This one's just, actually I'd call this double top, but you do have a higher price action. Here you see that we are higher and we are milking a lower price action. I'm sorry. To me, that is still a bearish signal that says we're going to fall out one more time and we're going to test down lower. If you do go back yonder here, okay, you really pull yourself back. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, you pull yourself all the way back here, right? You see that this is the same thing that played out back yonder here in 2015. Now, we have not broken a higher high on this 2 day chart. So the 2 day, I'm still watching it. Now, this was a much lower high here. Much lower high. Didn't have the gumption that we had back here to get back up. But if you would have looked at this, honestly, what this is this is just a very simple triangle pattern. This is a bearish triangle pattern that played out. There it is right there. That is a bearish triangle, right? You can't, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. That is a bearish triangle. Price fell down. Price tried to come back up. It used the bottom of the triangle as resistance on the top side, okay? And then it just fell out. And this is where we had our final capitulation. Very similar played out over here. Here you go. There is that kind of triangle as it fell out there, as it played out right there. Right, there's that triangle, and it fell out. And now this was, we all know when the bull run happened, Okay, even if we have started the bull run, I still expect us to fall out, right? So there's 2014. There's your triangle memes. Okay, both of these did end up. So there's your TDI, right? Higher high, fell out. Higher high, lower high, fell out. And where are we today? So I want to grab this first. I'm going to drop this in the members area with my triangle memes. Now, if this does change up, and there's nothing that says that this can't change up here, flip the script on me, but it's hard not to see this as a bearish pattern, right? Add triangle memes, right? I'm still playing this for what it is, okay? So then you're going to come all the way back yonder. And where are we at over here? Let's go here. Right? Now, this is a little bit harder to play out as a triangle meme right here because we haven't tested the bottom. Where is this? If this is the triangle meme, if this is what we're playing, this means this is still going to come down here, bounce around, doodly-doodly-doo. You get the point, right? So if this is some kind of a triangle meme, you'd be looking for some kind of support back down here in this region, right? You look for some kind of support right down here on this triangle, right? It's going to be down in here somewhere where you're going to pull back, and that's the 3,700 range if this does play out like a triangle meme, right? And this is what I'm watching, right? Let me pull this up, right? Let me pull that up right there so people can see, right? We still have not broken that. Now it is so close to breaking it, and in reality we're not that far away from actually breaking the top of this. We're not that far away from breaking the top of this triangle meme either. We're literally the top of that triangle meme's 4,200, and one little kick up, one little push up would blow that triangle, right? That was 2014, 15. Oh, come on. Higher high on the TDI, then lower high with lower PA, right? So here's the deal. This does not leave a shadow here, okay? This does not leave a shadow. So this thing can run way up here, right? And then it can just fall right over. Now it can't fall over past where the last 2-day candle was, but if you want to know where where this 2-day candle started, it's pretty much right there. So that's where that 2-day candle started, right there. So if this thing did roll over, it would need to roll over right here, right now. And that would be the rollover point right there in the little crook of the arm right there. Okay, so this is kind of what I'm watching. Same thing goes for over here with the 3-day chart. If you do pull back the 3-day chart and you want to take a look way back yonder on the 3-day, we did this same thing, right? The same thing came up. Look at this one. There it is right there. Came up almost the same height, fell out almost the same height. So these are the same timelines, right? This is the same timeline as we just looked at on the 2-day. There's nothing different here on the 2-day and on the 3-day. Now, here's what is different. This 3-day, yes, it is still riding this line, right? You're still riding this line up here. And if this does roll over, it'd roll over as a double top right here. So this would actually roll over as a double top. Let's find out where that thing is. Yeah, literally, it's right there. It's right there. It would be a double top. Now, if this breaks this, I mean, fuck, guys, I don't know right now, but I am looking for some kind of a pullback to pull us back, right? Now, here's your Gauss line on the 3-day. There's your Gauss line on the 2-day right there. So you see your Gauss lines, which are going to act as support for you. So you got a lot of support that's right below here. Now, looking at these candles, right? There's the 12-hour candle, the daily candle, the 2-day candle. I mean, honestly, this little shooting starish on the daily, right? You can get a shooting star candle out of that. You can get a shooting star candle out of that. I can see a shooting star candle on the 12-hour. So I can see a bunch of shooting star candles. Is this exactly what I'd really want to see, though, here, right? So, you know, 12, daily, 2-day, right? Shooting star-ish, right? Ish. Yeah, I am dude. I have the Bitcoin, the Litecoin chart pulled up over to the right side right now. I can see it on my other monitor. So you're absolutely correct, trader. I am watching that baby. Now hold on a second. I'm gonna have to reload these charts. Just give me a minute here, peoples. Want to see what else is going on out here. The chart that I really want to open up is the. I really want to get that. Nice, Jan. Are you short BTC to LTC? I mean LTC to BTC or LTC to? Are you short LTC to just LTC to USD? Yeah, I had a crazy weekend. It was we had a very busy weekend. It was St. Patrick's Day, so I made it. I let's put it this way: I made a killing this weekend, people. All right, crazy, right? Look at the gaps that opened here, right? So look, gaps. We hit our target. Oh shit! Shit, target filled. That target just keeps moving up, but God, is it Monday today? Is today Monday? Right? Right, gap chart. Right, it'll just keep pushing this gap up higher and higher and higher and higher. Right, that's what it'll do. It'll just keep bumping that gap up higher. But that gap is filled. Right, let's see. I want to see the weekly. Yep, target filled, gap filled. All right, gonna go back down. There we go. 3-day chart, still riding that short call. Nothing changed there. I still was looking at this as an ABC. We didn't really hit any, and I want to, let me do this, people. Let me throw in a brand new, I want to throw in a brand new fib. Right from there to there. Hold on, scoot these over. All right, come on, give me air right there. We go. Scoot that over right there. Now I do want to throw in a fib. All right. I want to play this from the bottom to the top right there. Trace back to the 618, bounced off, hit the vamp fib. Okay. Monkey, let's take a look at Monkey's charts. All right. What's the bottom chart, Monkey? What is that? Is that OBV or something? Gotta label it, buddy. Gotta make sure your charts are labeled. All right, it's been this long since I have had a chance to update the charts. Let's pull the charts over here. That bull cross is gone. Ooh, 6 hour did get the short call, 12-hour got the short call. Yeah, see, that's very shooting starish. Oh, yo, now this is a, so this is a bullish cross here. That is a bullish cross right there. The 12-hour has a bull cross. Okay, let's see what we got. There's our that's our all right, so there's our 128 on the daily right there, parked at 38.72. We did just get a bull cross, so I'm going to label that. Let's label that bad boy over there. Boy, that's a crazy candle we're putting in right there in the 12-hour. 12-hour has a bullish cross. Just finished. Let's see what we got over here in our 2-day for moving averages. Nope, nope, nothing. Man, that's another fucking spinning top. All right, so we finished off that with a spinning top, another fucking spinning top, right? Spinning top, spinning top, spinning top. Running all the way up here. We're going to slide this down. That's our trend line. Let's look at the bottom of our symmetrical triangle here. I want to do this. I'm just going to slide that up. There's probably no way that thing. Yeah, there it is. And nothing changed. Fuck, that's another bearish candle with bearish divergence on the weekly. Right? All right, so weekly bear div, right? A little warning sign right there. So we got weekly bearish division. Weekly all fucking bear candles, right? All those are bear candles. Every single one of these is a freaking bear candle. Now, this, I want to call it possibly a bullish pin bar, but look at your volume dropping out there. The volume is dumping out. This just doesn't seem like there's any sustainability. Let's take a look at our, right? On a green 8 on the 2-day. There's the 3-day. Okay, so let's see what we got here. 3,800. 3,800. So there's 3,800 on the 12-hour, 3,815 on the 2-day. Daily's 3,850. Okay, what I'm looking for here is the weekly. So I'm trying to get over to the weekly. BBs. Oh, thanks, buddy. All right, Monkey's got RSI, 2 RSI divergences on each side of the larger divergence on the LTC daily chart. Okay, LTC, got it. Okay, thank you very much. So this is LTC on Max. Nice, looks good. Good chart, buddy. Trader K's got a chart he wants to share with us. Ooh, nice. Nice, yeah, nice. Nice. You mean it looks like this right there? It looks just like that. And that looks like a 5-wave completed up there. Possibly. Right? Sometimes I get some shit right. Very good chart. Good charts by both of you guys. Very good. All right, so I want to get over to the weekly. The weekly's really, oh, shit. Do I not have a weekly? I thought I had a weekly chart. Where'd my weekly chart go? I have a weekly Bollinger Band. Ah, there it is. Let me slide over. Got scared there for a second. All right, let's see what we got here. There's our weekly. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Snap. Snap. All right, so we put in a green 6. That is very interesting. Boy, and we are on that freaking Bollinger Band. Holy cow, rammies. Wow. On the weekly. Middle BB. So we've been able to close over that right here, but then it fell out. We closed over it here, fell out. Right? We closed over it there, fell out. And we're on a 7. All right, let's do this. Let's pull this back here. I want to go take a look at. I'm going to pull this back down to the weekly. Oh, fucking Coinbase ass shit. How did I get Coinbase chart? Jesus Christ. Don't judge me, guys. Don't judge me. All right, there we are. That's where we had our 6. Look, we had a 6, a 7 on the top of the Bollinger Band, and then fell out and retested. I mean, we are moving freaking hardcore sideways. That's very similar to that right there. Shooting star candle, popped in the 6. Kind of moved up, fell out a little bit. It's way off though. Look at how far up that is. It's a lot. That's a lot of accumulation went by. This is a very short time for accumulation. I still think we need to go down and test. I'm still thinking we go down and we test. Look at how tight the Bollinger Bands were back in the weeklies back over there. Right? Those are super tight Bollinger Band. Look at how wide our Bollinger Band is right now. I think it's a monster. is a monster. Yeah. All right, let's take a look at our Gauss trend lines and our TDI. We just did this, so we just went over this. You know, the problem is on this 12-hour, this thing does like to do this, but it looks for a second run over. You know, the 12-hour, I mean, the 12-hour right here, this will look for a second run over. It just does. It'll look for a second, you know, pop up. Yeah, the 12-hour still says we can move. Let's take a look here. Yeah, is that going to be our head and shoulders like that? I swear to God, this fucking 3-day is never going to fall out. It's just never going to fall out. This 3-day, just like back in 2000, look, here was where we fell out to find baby bull Jesus. And this thing has been moving up. It's insane. It's freaking insane. Right? It's absolutely, this 3 days absolutely been insanely bullish. This thing has been so bullish. It's absolutely crazy. Just crazy. And we just can't roll. This thing just won't roll over. The 3-day will not roll freaking over. Right, when the 3-day rolls over, guys, this thing rolls over freaking hard. And this is not rolled over this entire time. I'm telling you, 3-day, when it rolls over, it rolls hard. The fuck? This thing has been going up. 3-day chart. This thing has been going up since December 9th. This thing has been on a tear since December 12th. Been running bullish since December 12th, 2018. Wow. Right? That is absolutely crazy. Just crazy. Just cray cray. Cray cray. And the price action's lower. All right, let's take a look at this. See what we got over here. I mean, you did hit a short trade line, right? You did hit a short trade line. Headed down right here. Remember, you cross this next short trade line down, which is right here. And it's a medium. Like this, nothing to get excited. This area is nothing to get excited about. Like this is a pretty legit. You cross this trade line right here. That's a legit cross. But this one is a weak ass. This is like weak ass sauce right here. Right? The one you really want to see is this one down here. This is like the strong dump area. So pretty much everything in here is weak sauce right now. Weak sauce, RSI area. All right, oops, shit. For some reason, I'm unable to keep a head and shoulders on this chart for some fucking reason. I don't know why. I can't keep it on here, but I still think this looks like a freaking head and shoulders. I know. Go ahead. Call me out for it. I know. Still think this thing looks like a head and shoulders. Some weird ass head and shoulders. I get it. I get it. Let's check our trend lines. Oh, top of the trend line. All right, see what else we got. On a trend line, yeah, I mean, like I said, you know, I like to see this indicator get a little bit closer, but I mean, this can roll over here. There's that weekly resistance. We did get rejected from the weekly resistance. Nothing to write home about. Ooh, let's see the jump. All right. And that's just that weekly resistance. I can actually, not that one. This one can actually move down a little bit. Nothing. Just gives everybody a good idea of where all the support resistance is. ADX chart. Here's my meme. This is my triangle meme I had for a while, and this triangle meme, it's a big ass fucking triangle right there. It's a big ass triangle. Right? That, peoples, is a big ass triangle. It's a big triangle. All right, let's go back here. Let me find my other. There it is. There's my triangle. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have right here. All right, so our trend line's moving down, 80-50. It's not going to help us. The triangle is not going to help us for support and resistance, really. But the one thing I want you to all take a look at right here, and kind of the most important thing, is that we have actually put in a pink. So one of the things I put on here is we put in this little pink dalliance right here. You see this little pink baby thing right here? That little pink little stubby stub, right? Listen, pink, it means that there's a trend change, right? So look, here you go. This is the bears and the bulls. This is the bull line. The bear line was the blue, and you saw the trend change. You had this little dip, and then boom, that was a trend change, and you saw the big trend change, and this is trying to kick out a trend change. Now, back here in 2014, we had a little bit of a trend change there. You see it rocked it, and then you see the trend change again. So this is our histogram. When this thing flips colors, it is bad for the other team usually, okay? So it's usually bad for the other team depending on which direction you're headed. But this is very important that we just have our very first flashing of a pink histogram there, right? We just got a little flashing in the pink histogram for the first time. So you got to remember, this has had a hell of a run down right here. This is just on a daily. And if this is going to be the first pink, we got to really be careful here, because that will signal the little pink histogram will signal, right? Here is the pink. Right? So histo on the ADX flashing pink. Right? This is what calls a trend change. Okay, so you got to keep an eye on that little pink thing. So if you only use this on the, well, you can use it on whatever you want to, but I like to use this on the daily. So there's my daily right there, and I like to use this on my daily. Now, is the histogram playing out like, I mean, the ADX chart playing out like it did back in 2014? No, it's clearly not. Look, this is on the bearish side now. I'm sorry, this is on the bullish side. So the histogram is actually, the ADX is actually broken and said we're more bullish. So when you're on this side, the ADX bear line is on the bulls side of the trend. right? It's still on the bull side of the trend, and it needs, in order for this to be bearish, this bad boy needs to flip all the way down to the bottom side, okay? I want to look back. What happens? When this bad boy comes down, let's see what happens right here. Sideways movement. Very interesting. Okay. Weekly ADX. Ooh, that is, see, what the fuck is going on, guys? This is just so weird. I mean, the ADX, the weekly ADX moved sideways. It literally moved sideways. Would you consider that a double top? Yeah, so this means that we're still bearish. So this means we're still in a bear market because look, you're below the histogram, which is the pink and green line, and you have the orange line, which is your bull line. So when you're below it, see, look, we've been below. All this has been below right here. So really, I mean, this is the first time we actually dropped below, and we've been below everything. Well, actually, we did it back here too. This is 2014-15. This was the bear market. You see what happened when we came out of the bear market back here. So this is when we came out of the bear market last time. Came down, bounced up, retested. Look, bounced up, retested, bounced up, deep test, and then run. This was our second test of the bear market of 2015. So you see this is January 19th. This was the true bottom. Actually, January 15th. Sorry, the January... Baby Bull Jesus was, yeah, right there. This was Baby Bull Jesus right there. So there's Baby Bull Jesus on a retest. So bottom, up, down, move up. See, it moved up, and then we retested back down for Baby Bull Jesus, and then we took off, right? So you see how this pattern is all played out here. Right? This is your pattern. When your blue line is below all your other lines, right? That's when you're bullish, and then, I'm sorry, bearish, and then when you topped up over here, this is when the bull market kicked off. And then look at this, all this blue line on top of the orange line. All this blue line on top of the orange line is the bull run, right? All this orange line on the bottom, this is all bullish. This is a bull run. That's all this is. Look at how long this bull run lasted, right? And this is, and now this is only how long the bear run has lasted. The bear run has only lasted a small time on the ADX chart. It hasn't lasted a massive amount of time truly for the by way of the ADX. So I want to see just one more test back down yonder, and then we can turn bullish, right? Then we can all go bullish. But that sure as shit looks like a freaking... Is that a double top? A double damn top? Oh no. It's never done that before. Well, it did it here. It did a double bottom there. Alright, let's mark this. Alright, let's do this real quick, okay? Scoot that out of the way so we don't confuse anybody. Alright, so this So would you agree that that is a double bottom? Right? That's what that was. That was a double bottom. Double bottom, bear line. Move that shit out of the way. Double bottom on the ADX, and you can see accumulation. Right? That looks like accumulation right there, right? Double bottom, double bottom. Double top? Read, seriously, the fucking chart. Now, if I was looking at this, I wouldn't look at that as accumulation. That I would look at as accumulation. That, I don't see that as accumulation. Does that look like accumulation to you, Dave? It doesn't really look like accumulation to me. This looks like accumulation. You sure? Like, you don't think this looks like accumulation? You don't think that looks like accumulation to me. This right here looks like accumulation. That I like. That I like. That I don't like. A retest and move sideways, I would like that as accumulation. Boy, I still think we're going to come back down and retest all the way back down here. And then, if this holds, then I would see accumulation. Right? If this holds, then yes, I agree, accumulation. So what I want to see is, I want to see this pull back down. Right? I'm going to leave that there. And I'll label this. I want to see PA test the 200, the weekly 200 MA, and then turn it into support. Right? This would be very bullish. Yeah, I get, Dave. I get it that it go up and down. I completely agree with you that it'll go up and down. But this right here looks more like accumulation to me. I mean, we all know that because how many people said this was accumulation? I mean, like 70% of Twitter. Remember that? Right? Like 70% of Twitter said that this was accumulation, right? I mean, come on. How many people said the bottom was in 6,200? Well, they're not. A lot of those people aren't around anymore. But you get the point. Yeah. All right. See what we got here. Okay. Yeah. Is that what you call it? Accumulated at the wrong time? I think there's another word for it, but that's a very, very politically correct way of saying they fucked up. Right? I'm pretty sure accumulating an asset at 2x the present value of it is that's I'm pretty sure that's just a plain fuck up right there. All right, now woo, had a nice run back up on this. Oh, that's starting to all right. What is this? Multiple Meyer. This fucking thing is not. This thing has not been helping me at all. I don't know why I keep that chart running. All right, let's see what our historic volatility chart says. Historic volatility's chart says nothing. It says shit ain't moved. Right. Our historic volatility chart that says this will move down. Dave says, I'm anticipating a slow bleed down over the next 45 days when this begins to go back down. Yeah. Hey, listen, Dave, I am one of those accumulators who bought between 31 and 3,200, buddy. I'm with you, right? And I bought it when we got the long call on the scalper. HV chart says nothing has happened yet. Bull or bear? All right, this is the chart that I'm really most... I haven't looked at this chart in a minute, and I do want to look at this chart. Okay, so look, the trend line held. Longs are going back up, shorts are going back up. Okay, good, good, good. Look at we have a pulse. All right, we have a pulse. The longs are alive again. Shorts are climbing. I don't know if this is a good thing right here. But the longs, check that shit out, man. Bounced off the trend line again. Right? Longs, look at that. Bounced, 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 bounced. Bounced off that trend line again. Like they've never broken that trend line. That trend line has never been broken. That's a pretty bullish kind of a pattern. Right? If you can't break that trend line, that seems pretty bullish to me. It looks like we're split 50-50 longs to shorts right there. So it looks like we're longs to shorts, split 50-50. And we're just going to have to kind of see how this bad boy plays out right here. So the bears have broken their trend line, which is the same trend line pretty much. Bounced up, look, bounce, bounce, bounce. So I would say that at this very moment, nobody has the advantage, right? So longs to shorts, the longs RSI is alive again. Whew. All right, and longs to shorts is 50-50. Wow. Right? Oh, ETH shorts. Let's take like Trader Cares ETH shorts. ETH shorts are nothing. They don't exist. They don't exist. You're right. There's no ETH shorts there. ETH shorts are completely gone. Good chart, buddy. Great chart, man. Thank you. All right, let's see what we got over here. Baby Bull Jesus. We've got the most crazy, insane histo run in history, pretty much, of a bear market, because the histo has literally ran and, oh my God, look at this thing breaking my box. I got to raise my box up. Ooh, little breaky in the Stoke right there. Is that a chink in the Stoke armor right there? Look at the resistance hitting the tippy. Look at the resistance on the RSI. Very interesting. Stoke, maybe a little chink. RSI. And what else we got? The histo. God damn. Damn. Dude, that histo. Insane. The histo's just crazy over there. All right, let's see what we're on. What kind of count are we on? Oh, shit. Did we hit a 6? Did we hit a red 6? Look at that. Look at that, peoples. Oh, snap. We hit a red 6, and it started to fall out. Look at that. Oh. No, where's that red 6 at? Red 6 is right there. That there's interesting. Nothing. Chalk and money flow. Up. All right, let's run back down. So we do have that. The thing I'd really keep an eye on, everybody, is that 12-hour bullish cross we have. Right, we have that 12-hour bull cross. this. All right, let's see what we have over here in alts. Yeah, it is what it is, right? All right, let's see what we have on Litecoin. There's our Litecoin charts. There's my Litecoin. I said run up into the yellow box for the 5 right there. Eh, not bad. I'll take that. It is what it is. All right, that looks good. All right, Dave, go do your updates. I'll catch you later. Yep, later, brother. I think we're good here. Yeah, I will definitely take a look at BCH. Give me 1 second. I want to bring up my ETH charts. There we go. Yeah, we'll take a look at Litecoin. Yeah, all right. So I think we need to start looking for a retracement on Litecoin. So this is ETH. That was ETH USD. Go over here, take a look. I mean, this just looks bear flag-ish, kind of, right? Or symmetrical, triangle-ish. Right? It just looks symmetrical, triangle-ish right there. Let me finish this ETH out. ETH BTC looks symmetrical. All right, and ETH USD rising. Okay, XRP, still the same, still the same. Ooh, look at that. Held that bearish triangle right there. Well, that there is interesting. Same. Nothing changed. BCH, okay. Woo! Man, look at how well BCH has been doing. BCH has been doing really good. BCH to Bitcoin's been doing good. We had, hey, Peak, how you doing, brother? Oh, nice. Jan says, can you look at BCH BTC? So there it is right there. Wow, that was way more bullish than well, you know, god damn, look at BAB. What a great run by BAB. right? I really don't watch BAB. I really don't. I just, I like watching SV because there's more characters. It's funner. Uh, I just like watching this. This has got Roger Ver and the Bitmain people. This is just super fucking shady shit to me. I mean, honestly, if you look at these charts, right, look at the difference in these charts right here. And I'm going to let me remove this out of here. Okay, so look, just take a look at this chart right here. Like, I just don't like this. Now, to me, this looks cup and handle-ish, right? Look at this. This actually looks cup, right? There's your cup. And that looks cup and handle-ish right there. Let's change the color to the white. Ooh, that's I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Right? Man. Oh. Okay, and then let's pull this accumulation band across. Right there. What do you think, guys? That sure looks like a big ass cup and handle. Don't worry, I recorded everything. BAB looks like a huge cup and handle. Okay, let's look at SV. Okay, SV does not look like a huge ass cup and handle. SV looks like just this big wedge here. And to me, so here's my issue, right? I'm going to take this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. I'm going to transform this into this monster, right? Just get rid of that. The big fucking arrow. I don't like that shape. It's like a megaphone too. I like this. A, B, C. Meh. Don't really hit the D. Almost money on that thing right there. Give me a second. Let me find this. I want to drop this in here. Okay. All right. Now that looks like a big ass cup and handle also. $786. Came back to the 5-0. Ooh, green 9. That baby's gonna. Fuck. That should fall out on that green 9 and the 5-0. This still looks like a big cup and handle, right? It still looks like a big cup and handle. I don't like this really, but. Daily, back to 12-hour. So I would call this cup and handle-ish. that's what I don't like. Fuck. All right. Okay, same thing. Nothing has changed over here. TRX the same. If anything, that looks like possible accumulation. Or a fucking ugly bear flag. That looks like a triangle. I mean, I want to see all this shit break out, guys. I really do. Nothing's changed in a Raven. BNB is insane and still continuing to be insane. I mean, I don't even know what to do with BNB. Icon, ICX over here. Looks like it's just holding perfectly in this wedge I placed. Still in the wedge. Right? Still in the wedge. Yeah, that's really it. Raven, ICX. I really haven't done much. Sorry, guys. I've been so busy at the club doing the remodel. All right. I think I'm done. Done. Dow Jones, nothing, doesn't open until tomorrow. Okay. Pull this over here. Let's pull this back over here. Let's bung up Litecoin. And that's it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm going to leave. I'm not going to change the chart. Not going to change the chart. I'm not going to, oh, what I do need to add here is that the weekly Bollinger Band, sorry, that's the one thing I do want to add on here. Where is my weekly Bollinger Band? Ooh, look at that, trying to flip. Where is the weekly Bollinger Band? There it is. 39.50, wait. 39.62. 39.62. All right. All right. 39.62. Okay, so let us adjust ourselves. See, we have that little bullish cross right now, right? We have a little bit of a bullish cross, so I think we can still go up a little bit. I don't think there's any reason we can't go up. Right, and there's our support on the downside. I don't see there's any reason we can't get a little bit of pick-me-up here. Right. Okay, let me just make sure I have this all marked out correctly for everybody. Give me a second. Let me adjust the chart. $4K, $4K. Ooh, a lot of resistance at $4K. $4K. Okay, 3 days, 3,100. 41 says 4,100. Two and 3 day is 4,100. Okay, hold on a second. I'm putting this all together. Oh, come on. Jesus Lord, I'm trying to stick this chart together. Give me a second, everybody. Got that bull cross kicking. Yep, same. shit, there's no moving averages above this at all. All right. Man, you got that you got this damn cross right now. I did. I recorded it, buddy. All right. All right, I'm out, everybody. Thank you all so much. Really appreciate you being here. Sorry this took so damn long. It's been a while since I've had a chance to chart. I want to say thank you to everybody. And if you guys get a chance, all I'd really appreciate is if you could reach out and smash down that suggest button, the share button. That's the kind of love I'm looking for. Really appreciate any love on the share side. All right, and everybody have a safe day trading. Remember, the weekend is technically over, not here in the Americas, but remember Mondays are usually you never know. You know, it's either super bloody and or we get a nice pump. But let's see how this is. I'm just going to keep playing this bad boy out on this chart over here. So I'm going to keep watching this over here. This is really my tell. Make me a believer. Turn me bullish. I'd like to turn bullish here. I'd like to go down, test a little bit lower, and then let's really turn some support really into some heavy support down lower, and then go for our bull run. Okay, all right, thank you all so much. I am the Vamp. Thank you, Peak, for being here, all the moderators. I am the Vamp. We're from Trading Associates, and I am out.